Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner works very well as far as a waterproof eyeliner. You can get this just about anywhere. I think I got this at like Five Below, but you can get it on Amazon, Walmart, Target, any department store you can get this at. And it's just a really good, I think it's a really good eyeliner to use when you are needing something waterproof. So it's really great if you're like going to go swimming and you still want to wear makeup, or if you're going somewhere where you might be crying, like going to see a sad movie or something like that. Or if you're going to be working out and you still want to wear makeup and you're going to be sweating, or going to amusement park, anything. Like, it's just, if you need a waterproof eyeliner, I definitely highly recommend this one because this thing is amazing. I have it in the color black, which is number C879. It comes in a few different shades. They have some like crazy wild colors that you can get it in, and then they have it in just like dark brown or espresso as well. It does come with quite a bit of product. Like, this whole thing from here down is the bottle with the product, and then it's a twist cap. And as you can see, like, the cap goes from like bigger to smaller, which I really like because I think it just makes it easier to like hold when you're doing it. The applicator itself is a little thick, in my opinion. It's compared to like nothing, it's not that thick. So it's not the easiest thing if you're going to do like a wing, or if you just want to do a really thin line. It's a little bit thicker, so I wouldn't recommend it for that. If you're going to do like a thick line of eyeliner, let me grab another eyeliner that I have so that I can show you. I have another Wet n Wild one. It's not waterproof like this one is, but it is a mega liner. So let me just show you the two of these, the wands compared to each other, so that you can see how much, like, even like just this, you can kind of see that this one is a lot thicker than this one, the H2O one. See if I can do this at the same time. Like, you can see this one right here on the right is much thinner. So yeah, if you're looking for like something that's going to give you like a really good like cat eye or a wing with like a really nice point at the end, this is definitely not the eyeliner for that. If you're looking for like a really thick, something that's going to be a nice thick line with not too much trouble, this is definitely the eyeliner for that. There's not too much information on like the bottle itself. It's not tested on animals. It is made in China. It is a 0.17 fluid ounce bottle, so super easy to travel with. You can throw it into any bag. It's really small. You can get it through TSA, take it in your carry-on bag. It dries really fast, so when you are doing your makeup, like, you just have to be really careful to get it precisely where you want it because it dries really fast, and because it's waterproof, it's also very difficult to take off. I went swimming with this before and it did not budge. Like, even trying to take it off with like makeup wipes and makeup remover is difficult. So I will say that is one downside. I do wish that it was a little bit more susceptible to coming off with products that are meant to take your makeup off. But I mean, you know that when you wear this, you do not have to worry about it smudging, you don't have to worry about it coming off. It is going to last you all day. It's going to last probably a couple of days, honestly, before you fully get it off. I remember going to the pool one time with like just a regular eyeliner, and I jumped in the pool, and when I came up, everyone was laughing at me. Like, it was my family, it wasn't like strangers, but like my family was cracking up because I looked like a legitimate raccoon. Because my eyeliners, like, I face did one dip in the water and my eyeliner just smudged. So the next time I had gotten this one and I wore this one, and jumped in the water and came out, and honestly, my sister was amazed because she was expecting the same thing to happen as the last time, and it didn't, because I got this amazing new eyeliner that just like, it just blew her mind. So then she had to go out and get one because it's just amazing. I've had liquid proof, waterproof products before, but I don't think I've ever had anything that worked quite as amazing as this eyeliner. Like, it is just not going anywhere. So yeah, this is just a really, really great eyeliner. Like I said, I wouldn't use it every day just because it is difficult to take off, and I like don't want to have to scrub my eyes every single night. But if I know I'm going to be doing something like going to an amusement park where and it's hot and I might sweat, then I'll use it, or if I'm going swimming, then I'll use it. But yeah, I definitely recommend everyone should have, anyone who wears makeup, like the dailies, should have a good waterproof eyeliner. And so I definitely recommend this one. I've had it also for a few months, and because I don't wear it every day, it also is going to last you a while. So overall, this is just a really great eyeliner, and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.